Stocks crash, crypto swings, but one investment never goes out of style: real estate. Here's why it's the safest bet for 2025. Look, stocks can tank overnight. Crypto, one tweet and it's chaos. But real estate, it's tangible. You can touch it, live in it, rent it out. And the best part, it doesn't vanish with a market dip. While other investments are roller coasters, real estate's more like a steady escalator. When the news is all doom and gloom about crashes, homeowners are still picking up keys and building wealth. Now let's talk inflation. Prices everywhere are climbing. Your money's losing value as we speak. But real estate, it usually goes up with inflation. That means your property often grows in value while your cash shrinks. Historically, homes appreciate, sometimes by double digits. It's the ultimate inflation shield. And here's the real kicker: passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep. With rentals, tenants pay you every month. A steady cash flow, no 9 to 5 needed. In some cities, average rental yields are hitting 4, 5, even 6%. That's money in your pocket, month after month. So, where should you look in 2025? Growing cities, tech hubs, government-backed projects. These are the hot spots. Think places like Austin, Dubai, or up-and-coming markets. Want our top 5 picks? Drop a comment below. Ready to dive in? Start small. Think rentals, REITs, or even flipping. The key is to take action. Every investor starts somewhere, and your first step could be today. Remember, real estate isn't just an investment, it's freedom. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's build wealth together in 2025. And hey, watch next for my guide on buying your first property with 0 down.